Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.09. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.93%. This equates to an average return of 0.21% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock lies in the middle of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term, indicating that a further rise within this trend is expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 18.72% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 7.27% to 24.27%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 10.87%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 10.54% to positive 31.09% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 190.35 and 278.93. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline: Amazon's stock price ended at $212.77 on Tuesday, after gaining 2.06%. The Amazon stock price gained 2.06% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025, rising from $208.47 to $212.77. During that day, the stock fluctuated 1.56% with a low of $211.05 and a high of $214.34. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 1.94% during this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 436,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 36 million shares changed hands for approximately $7.77 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price is 12.27% or $29.75 below the 52-week high and 83.70% or $1,092.43 below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Amazon is making significant moves that could reshape its impact in the e-commerce sector, particularly in rural America. The company is investing $4 billion to extend its Prime delivery services to over 4,000 smaller communities, enabling same-day and next-day shipping for tens of millions of consumers. This strategic expansion intensifies competition against Walmart, which has established a foothold in these areas. From a short-term perspective, this initiative could prompt a spike in consumer interest, potentially lifting Amazon stock as analysts interpret the investment as a commitment to growth and market penetration. The ability to service rural markets may also drive increased sales volume, directly influencing revenues and earnings forecasts favorably. In the long term, this enhances Amazon's delivery network, thereby bolstering customer satisfaction and loyalty. Expanding delivery capabilities may not only solidify its market lead, but also prevent customer attrition towards competitors. Additionally, Amazon's recent announcement of a $40 billion investment in the United Kingdom further demonstrates its aggressive growth strategy through new fulfillment centers and job creation. Together, these developments reinforce Amazon's dominant position in the e-commerce landscape and suggest a potentially buoyant trajectory for its stock performance as it capitalizes on new customer segments and international markets. Overall, Investors and market observers should view these strategic expansions as key indicators of Amazon's long-term growth potential. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Amazon a buy grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Amazon a market outperform grade along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial assigned Amazon a buy grade along with a hold action. On Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Amazon a hold grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated a sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered a strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts are more optimistic, giving the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock indicates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $212.35 and $206.05. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing in tandem with the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, June 10, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 2.22%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger Indicators suggested a buy signal also from 10 days ago. A short-term moving average provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 37 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 12 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $191.10 and $175.26. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may result in a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Amazon finds support just below today's level at $191.10. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $175.26 and $171. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is considered low. During the last day, the stock moved $3.30, which is 1.56% between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.02%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.31. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $213.20. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $191.10. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point with expectations of a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of June, 2025, Jeff Bezos conducted an insider purchase of 24,410 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider purchase of 2,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted an insider purchase of 3,827 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted another insider purchase of 3,520 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 21st of May, 2025, Douglas J. Harrington conducted yet another insider purchase of 6,743 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of 0.000. Overall, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $203.69, representing a decline of 4.27%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk profile. A sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 25th of June, we expect Amazon to open lower by approximately 5 cents and start trading at $212.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.